Hi, welcome to ASC's live Hydra event. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to get started. This first serum that I'm starting with is salicylic. This will help cleanse her skin, it will help exfoliate her skin, and open up her pores so that it's easy to extract.
The active 4, the first step, has glucosamine, algae extract, lactic acid, sodium lactate, and urea. The function of this is to cleanse skin deeply, soften sebum and impurities, dislodge dead skin cells, and moisturize. It also firms, smooths, and is suitable for all skin types.
Now, as you can see, she's getting a little pink here. That's completely normal. Afterwards, she'll be a little pink and shiny. Pinkness will last for about an hour or two.
So it sounds like there's not really much downtime. Is that right, Heather?
This is a non-invasive, painless procedure.
You can have an event that night. Great red carpet look.
Nice and exfoliated, clean. Just look wonderful and luminous afterwards.
It's for most skin types. It's great for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin,
Rosacea.
hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores. It really changes the
How does
appearance.
it feel, Jess?
It feels fine. I feel the little suction, which is nice because I know it's exfoliating and getting all the dead skin cells off.
The patented technology of the Hydrafacial wand that Heather is using is a vacuum. So the serums are unclogging the pores so the vacuum can suck everything out. And you can see at the end, there's a container in the back of the machine that we can show, and you can see how it collected all the debris.
Well, we really like you guys a lot. We're probably not going to show you that. Just, you know. Exactly.
I would want to see it. I want to see it.
Does anybody watching have any questions? We're here to answer questions about products, any of our skincare services, anything you want to know, just ask.
So you're feeling any tingle, stingle?
No stingle yet.
Which is perfectly normal.
So now I'm switching over to the second serum. The active ingredient in this is salicylic. This is what's going to help pull everything up and out of her skin.
So this is the glycol, Heather, that's
It's going to be.
it's exfoliating the skin,
Yes. It's like a mini peel almost.
allowing for the cell turnover,
Right.
and that's what's going to help change the appearance of your skin.
This goes into the T-zone.
She's using
This will help shrink Jess's pores, which is nice. That's her target
So,
area.
ladies, Karen has a question. Karen would like to know, how long does the whole process take?
About a half an hour. Thanks, Karen, for your question.
And Michelle has a question too. She actually has a question. We wanted to talk a little bit about microneedling.
Oh,
That's a good question for Jessica.
Yes.
Jessica can tell you all about it.
Yeah, so microneedling is different than this in that it actually pokes tiny little holes into the skin. And by doing that, it's stimulating your own collagen and elastin. So it's a little bit more invasive than this. And you are red, and you can have some bruising, so there's a little bit more downtime than this for sure. With this, you don't get any bruising at all. With the Hydrafacial, some patients peels, but most patients don't. So it's good to do. I would probably, if you haven't had one and you have an event, I would probably schedule it a week out, just so you have time.
Yeah, that's what I say too, just so you can see how your skin reacts. And
Yeah.
Jess, who would be a good candidate to have microneedling?
Anyone who would like to reduce their fine lines and wrinkles. It is also very good for acne scars, pore size, those stubborn brown spots. Overall, just texture of skin.
Sounds like all of us.
if you're interested, you can come to our open house on October 4th in our Ridgefield office at 5 o'clock, and we will be doing a live demo.
Yeah, so you get to see that live, which is great.
Also, don't forget to share, like, or comment on this post for your chance to win one of our 7 fabulous prizes. We're giving away tonight $100 gift certificates to be used on Botox or Juvederm. We're giving away free Botox, and we're giving away a free Hydrafacial.
So Michelle?
Great prizes, so stay on with
Michelle
us.
has another question with regard to, is it safer for candidates with rosacea, the microneedling?
Yes,
Okay, perfect.
it is.
And Michelle, we would love to take care of you, so please share and like us.
Please stay on with us, like and share, and you'll have a chance to win one of these fabulous prizes.
How you doing, Jess?
Good.
So this is a Lysol.
Yes.
Stone.
This is
Now
salicylic.
I'm feeling the stingle.
Now you're feeling it.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
Which is
It's
normal.
not bad though.
So what would you say it feels like? Like a heavy toner?
Yeah.
A little stingle, we call it, is normal.
It's not a sting, it's not a tingle, it's a stingle.
So, and it usually calms down by the time you're done with the Hydrafacial. We do complimentary red light with the Hydrafacial. That helps to calm down any redness or irritation, helps build collagen and elastin.
And it's also good for acne patients also because we use the red light and the blue light.
Right.
Blue light breaks down the bacteria for our acne patients. Sometimes we use a combination of red and blue if you've got a little bit of acne. We'll zero in on that.
All right, and we have another caller, so to speak. So Karen's got a question. Does it matter what skin type?
No, it's safe for all skin types.
It benefits all skin types. Everyone can benefit from the Hydrafacial. It really changes the appearance.
Oh, and Tara wants to know, does it hurt? We kind of were talking about that.
Does it hurt?
No.
It's
You
painless.
feel the suction from the little
Exfoliating tip,
the tip that she's sliding. Yeah.
but
Wonderful.
it's very, it's non-abrasive.
Okay, and the questions are just rolling in, so we're just going to keep going. How often should you have one? How often should you get one? And that's going to be from Dominique.
Every 4 weeks. Thank you, Dominique.
Yes.
We recommend monthly.
Sure.
Because you can keep that appearance.
Lindsay actually wants to know how much a Hydrafacial is.
Base price of Hydrafacial is $174. If you're new to us, you'll have the opportunity to use a 15% off coupon to get it at a better value.
Kathy has a question. Kathy, thanks for checking in. If you're acne prone, would it be worse before it gets? Will it get worse before it gets better? That's a great question.
That's a great question.
No.
No. Yeah, the serums will help to break down the bacteria as well as the blue light. So it should help flatten out any acne, help dry it up.
Yeah. I mean, if you have any acne, if you get a lot of pimples and the deep ones under the skin, and so if you're prone to getting that and you have a few waiting to come out,
They'll come.
it might come out after, but it doesn't get worse before it gets better.
There you go. Now, Deborah has a question. How long does it take?
20 to 30 minutes.
Well, when folks first come in for the evaluation, our estheticians sit down with you and they'll go through a whole plan for you. So definitely leave yourself a little bit more time than that for your patient consultation. And of course, we'd love to be able to take care of you at the same time. So make sure when you book that appointment, you let the ladies, our front office team know, and we will find a time that works for you.
First time you do skincare, it's about an hour visit, and then after that, it's 40 minutes for the basic Hydrafacial. But we do have add-ons we'll talk about when we meet with you. There's a Brightenol, there's a growth serum.
So I'm gonna have you narrow in on her so that we can see the pinkness
There
in
you
her
go. We were
skin.
just saying how we needed to get a closer look. The better to see you with, my dear. Exactly.
Great minds think alike.
And don't forget to like us, comment, or share for your opportunity to win a prize tonight.
See how she's getting a little pink? This is totally normal. This should last probably about an hour or two. And it will go away, and she'll be left with radiant skin afterwards.
So Tara has a question. Tara would like to know, you said that it would be red afterwards, and a little and you have a little bit downtime. How long is downtime really?
Really an hour or two.
Yeah, so you
Other
can
than
use
that,
it
you're
all.
good.
Great question, Sarah. Thank you.
After an hour, you can put makeup on, so you're good to go.
And I have sensitive skin, so do you
You'll
find
get
to
to
see how red,
by the time you're
how
done
red
with the
you would get if
Hydrafacial.
you have sensitive skin. Yeah.
It all calms down by the time you're done pretty much. And then
Yeah.
the red light really helps calm down any irritation or redness.
Yeah.
So this step is the Beta HD. It is cleanses the skin deeply. It cleans oily skin deeply, softens sebum and impurities, and helps soften and dislodge dead skin cells.
And it has a vortex tip action, if you guys can see it.
There you go.
And that helps narrow in on the
Dominique
pores.
has another question. How many times before you see results?
Oh, right away. Results are instant.
Or this is immediate gratification? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, so I'm gonna move over to the hyaluronic. This has antioxidants, and it's gonna hydrate her skin. And it will help with any
my favorite.
stingling that she's
I like
having.
it too. Heather's going to bathe her skin in this hyaluronic acid.
Don't forget to share and share our post, like or comment for your opportunity to win one of our great prizes this evening.
Oh, and Dominique says that they love that. Oh, thank you, Dominique.
Thank you, Dominique. We love you.
So this is the last serum that Heather is doing. But if you've noticed, all the serums have been infused into Jessica's skin. Nothing is wiped off. Everything just gets infused in. The antioxidants to leave with that radiant glow.
Right, because all the dead skin is gone.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Well, your products are going to work better. Oh, my stars. Absolutely.
Products are gonna seep right into that skin because they're not fighting all that dead skin that's laying on top of your face like that. And not only that, but you have to wear sunscreen afterwards because you have all this nice new skin exposed, and we want to keep it covered with sunscreen when you're out and about.
Moisturizing sunscreen, very important. And you know, now that it's the end of the summer, ladies, this is a really good time to get rid of those dead skin cells.
Wash away the sins of summer, baby.
Yes.
Yeah, so
And that's why I like it, because it is exfoliating, but then it's also very hydrating.
yeah.
And
And it tightens
there's
up the
nothing
pores
else
now.
really on the market like this.
No, not with the serums.
One of a kind.
Yep. And so your face is feeling tight now.
No, I actually feel the hyaluronic feels really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't feel.
Getting all those congested areas,
Getting all those
enlarged
pores.
pores, all those areas we want to target.
Do we want to talk about
Favorite
add-ons? So there's add-ons to the Hydrafacial. There's Brightenol. Brightenol is a brightening Hydrafacial. That is an intensive spot corrector. So that's perfect for sun damage, age spots.
And I have another question from Lindsay. Pardon me for interrupting you.
Sure.
guys. Lindsay wants to know, how is this different from microderm?
Well, you know, I'd like to answer that one. Because I've tried a microdermabrasion. You know, this is so much better because it has the serums. The microdermabrasion is dry.
Exactly.
It's so nice to have the serums all infused in your skin. It's just a better result.
Yes, and it's not
And,
just
and it's not as
exfoliating.
evasive too. That's a little more evasive, the microdermabrasion.
Yeah,
It's
because
more irritating.
yeah, exactly what you said. I mean, microdermabrasion, it's basically like sandstoning your face.
Yeah.
So it does exfoliate, but this does
This
much
is
more.
That's why the exfoliating tip of
Yeah.
the Hydrafacial, the patented Vortex tip, is giving you, in a much less abrasive way, the results of the microderm. And you're getting all the serums infused in. So it's a really nice, relaxing experience, no pain. And you have that nice result instantly, the radiant glow at the end.
All right, so Tara has a question now. How long before you can go in the sun? We kind of were talking about that. And say if you're going on a vacation, should you wait or should you do it afterwards?
Well, if you're going to be on vacation in the sun, then I would wait until you get back. Just because you don't want a chance being out into the sun with this nice exfoliated skin, and you're just going to set yourself up for failure. So it's best to
Of course,
wait.
we're all going to wear sunblock here. So, you know, they do this in California. Look, here's my line. I'm just saying.
Sunscreen,
You know what I mean? All year long. So really,
Sunscreen and
If you
hat.
wear sunscreen and a hat, you'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, you should be
but-
protecting your skin all the time anyway with sunscreen and a hat, not getting full direct sun. So if you really use those precautions. But I say the same thing too. If you're going to Mexico tomorrow, you know, wait.
and we'll be happy to take care of you when you get back. You let us know. We'll be there when you're ready.
Our pleasure.
Speaking of sunscreen, Elta MD is our choice. You're able to purchase that in the office. We have different SPF strengths. We have tinted, untinted, and they're all cosmetically elegant and dermatologist recommended.
And we have another question from Michelle. Is there any discomfort? Michelle must just be joining us. Michelle, thanks for coming on.
No.
No discomfort.
No.
Michelle.
You feel the suction from the tip, but
It's very gentle. It's not abrasive at all.
Okay. Then you feel like it's working. You know what I mean? When you come in and like when you have this like a little flop and it really under the direction of the physician, absolutely.
Yeah, any little redness you had has really calmed down now after this.
After the hyaluronic. Yep.
oh, good.
Yeah, so there's really just the pink, nice radiant glow.
And you can see, even though she's pink, you're seeing that her skin is just glowing. It just
Now,
looks really
we have
good.
another person signing on. Thanks for joining us, Karen. Karen wants to know our hours of operation, our business hours. And let's tell them about all the locations.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So we offer Hydrafacial in Ridgefield and Danbury. In Danbury, we offer skincare, Hydrafacials and peels. Hydrafacials are Monday afternoon, Tuesday morning, and every other Friday afternoon for Hydrafacial. Peels are offered in Danbury on Tuesday mornings, and microneedling is offered on Monday afternoon and Thursday mornings. Ridgefield, Adrian, can you give some hours?
For microneedling and Hydrafacial?
Yeah.
On Tuesday morning, Monday afternoon, Monday morning. Right, you're doing Monday morning, and on Tuesday morning, and every other Friday afternoon. Heather's Tuesday afternoon, and they're all day Thursday in Ridgefield.
So basically every day of the week you can get
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. Call us, we'll be able to work something out.
Yeah.
We will fit you
The
in our
Danbury
schedule.
and Danbury and Ridgefield locations.
How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah, you look great. You're welcome.
I needed this.
Nice, clean.
She is gleaming. All right.
Okay. So
What's this part?
we're gonna do.
This is the hyaluronic.
Oh, we have a question from Kaylin. Somebody just chiming in, and thanks for joining us, Kaylin. What do you recommend for post treatment care?
I recommend that we use our hyaluronic serum. It works very well and it's very hydrating. We absolutely love it. It's one of our favorite products here, and sunscreen. We also have growth factors that will just keep what you're doing. We'll keep it going. We have Regenica replenishing cream, and we have Regenica dual serum. That's going to help with collagen and elastin regeneration. Thank you, Kaylin.
Great. We have another question from Karen. Karen wants to know, can this facial help dark circles under the eye?
It cannot help dark circles under the eyes because we don't go up into the eye, but we can always offer our eye cream, our Regenica eye cream that has arnica and caffeine, and that works very well for that underneath the eyes.
Perfect.
And I just want to add to the product conversation that you enhance the longevity of this treatment by using good products in between. So before you see us next time, you really want to protect your investment.
I will just say, honestly, you wash your face anyway. Use something that works. We are not
Yes.
Clinique, and we are not in the convincing business. It will be
No.
our absolute pleasure and privilege to take care of all of you. Thank you.
All right, my dear. I'm going to do red light therapy. I'm going to put goggles over your eyes. If you see a little red glow, it's okay. It's not going to harm your eyes.
So the red light, we picked that up from NASA, right?
We did. Actually, they did.
I know that.
They founded it. This helps with collagen, elastin. It also aids in circulation to your skin, and it helps calm the inflammation of the
The
Hydrafacial.
irritation today from the Hydrafacial. So really, when you leave, there's really no redness.
So for those that are just joining, I'll just reiterate that the Hydrafacial is good for every skin type.
Every skin type.
You know, it's for acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores. So it really changes the appearance of every skin type because we're exfoliating the dead skin. Everybody could use exfoliation of the dead skin cells.
Oh, and we have Lindsay chiming in. Lindsay, thanks so much for joining us. Lindsay wants to know, if you've had fillers, can you do this?
Of course.
Absolutely.
You just wait a week
After your initial fillers, you're going to wait a week.
before you have the Hydrafacial.
Right, because we don't want to manipulate the filler. We want it to stay where the physician put it. And then Lindsay also has another question. I'm guessing that this is a red light. Is it included in the treatment? You bet.
Yes, it is.
Complimentary.
Absolutely. In our practice, we think it's extremely valuable, so we do include it in the fee-for-service.
It's like peanut butter and jelly. They go together.
Yeah, red and blue light.
And Karen's got a question. Karen, you're like eating out of our palm. We love you. What is the difference between the red light and the blue light?
Okay, so the red light, which Heather is doing now, again, helps soothe any irritation or redness that you might have had during the Hydrafacial. It helps build collagen and elastin, helps with the signs of aging. The blue light is for bacteria with acne, helps break down the bacteria. She'll probably do that next just to show you the blue light. So sometimes you do a combination of both. If someone has a little acne,
Targeted areas.
and we do, talking about the blue light, we do a lot of teen acne Hydrafacials, which we'll do a lot of blue light with. So any teens out there?
All right, and the questions are just pouring in. I'm sorry to interrupt you. There you go. So Caitlin has another question. What is the wait time between treatments, and how often do people come for the best results?
Every 4 weeks. That's what we recommend.
Every 4 weeks, Caitlin. We would love to see you. Thanks for asking. What a great question.
Don't forget to like and share our page for your opportunity to win one of our prizes today. Thank you for joining us. Like, share, like the video, and ask questions for your opportunity to win, okay? Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining us.
So tonight we're raffling off $100 gift certificates for Botox or Juvederm, 20 units of Botox, and a syringe, a free Hydrafacial tonight. Okay.
And as you can see, the redness in her skin has almost gone completely down. So most people, you see a difference right after the red light. The redness is gone.
Have it done and go out to dinner.
Absolutely.
Put makeup on an hour later.
And your makeup goes on so much nicer and smoother. You really feel the difference the next morning.
Did you say like butter?
Like butter.
Oh, my stars.
Yeah, it really is a difference on a nice, clean, exfoliated face when you go to put your products on, your makeup on.
You will love, love, love Hydrafacial.
Absolutely. It's perfect for wedding regimens, perfect for skincare regimens, acne patients. Everybody can have a Hydrafacial.
Megan's getting married soon, and she's already booked her Hydrafacial.
I have mine booked.
Soon to be brides out there.
Yeah.
Book your Hydrafacial.
That's
And
right.
that's the thing. Get on a plan. Get on a regimen.
Yes.
Get on a
Come see us.
regimen and
We'll help you.
And then work your plan.
We'll help you. We have products for everything, just about everything. We'll help you.
That's what we talk about in our skincare evaluation when you come
Lindsay
to us
says your
for something.
skin looks flawless. And Tara, again, do you pay extra for vocal lights? Absolutely not. It's included in the fee-for-service. Tara, thanks for what a great question.
All right. Should we do a raffle? Should we see who our big winner is? Is it time? What do you think? No? Let's talk about products. Should we talk about products?
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it. All right.
I'm going to do blue light now.
Okay, so here we have our Regenica line. We have a dual serum and a replenishing cream. These are the newest technology growth factors available on the market. They're sold only in doctors' offices.
Blue light.
Blue Light and Regenica. These products are perfect for anti-aging, to help prevent aging, and to help reverse aging. So these products are excellent. Paired with a Hydrafacial, the connective tissue growth factor Hydrafacial, they're really a nice replenishing treatment for your skin that will help stimulate collagen and elastin growth.
Now Jessica is prone to larger pores, so this is going to help with her large pores as well. Just pulling you out.
You know, we have Alexis asking us a question. Is there a discount for teens?
There is.
Yes.
We offer a teen Hydrafacial for $75.
That's a great value.
Thank you, Alexis.
I always recommend it for my acne patients.
Oh, and Maggie's saying, look, looks good.
Yay.
And Karen too, she looks great. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to say with the acne, for the teen acne, I always recommend it to my patients who especially have clogged pores with the acne, which is called comedomal acne. It works really well for that.
And it's life changing. You can just see the difference in these kids when they have it done.
Yeah. So I have our Skin Medica retinol that we sell in our office, and everyone should have a retinol as part of their routine. If you're new to retinol, you want to start with the lower strength, which is 0.25. You could work up to 0.5 or 1.
And we have another question. I apologize for interrupting about our exciting retinols. Exactly. We have Jean. Is a facial good for both men or women? What a
great question.
Yes.
We have plenty of men that come in.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And then Kathy has another question. Up to what age would you consider it a teen? Is it 19?
Yes. Yep, till the age of 19.
To the age of 19. Great question. Thank you, Kathy.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, share our video, say hi to us, ask questions. We're here for you.
So our Elta sunscreen is amazing.
Amazing. Dermatologist recommended.
Heather's going to be putting that on. We all put that on after every Hydrafacial, sunscreen and moisturizer. And these are the actual sizes. They're priced really nicely, between like $21 and $32. And what I like about the tubes, they're 3 ounces, so you can carry them on the plane. You don't need to check luggage or anything. And they come in a sport. They come in a regular face and body. They come in a tinted. I love the tinted. I'm a big fan of the tint. And then we have this big pump. I keep this on my kitchen counter all year long. It's great, and they're really nicely priced. So we have those in the office as well.
Oh, and then we have a question from Erin. Sorry, Erin, I almost missed you there. She wants to know, does the light burn?
No, not at all. You don't even feel heat from it or anything. That's why we just cover your eyes, because the only thing you might feel is just a little bit of the light, but no heat.
I'm going to apply. This is our Advanced Specialty Care. This is our hyaluronic serum. This has antioxidants and it hydrates you really well. Love.
Caitlin has another question. Oh my goodness. Okay, is it recommended the wait? Is there a recommended wait time before resuming your regular makeup routine after treatment?
I would recommend an hour. Just make sure your pores are closed. Make sure you're good to go, and then you can go right back to your normal
Tara is very
routine.
interested. Do we have packages? Do X amount of treatments have a certain percentage off?
We do have a package where there is an overall savings. It's a package of 4, and we
certainly can send you information on that, Karen. Absolutely. All right, more questions. Oh my goodness. Okay, if you have blackheads and clogged pores, does the suction take them all out?
Not 100% of them, but a majority of them.
And
you're going to see a huge
keep them
difference.
from getting clogged again? I love that question. We wish.
Well, we do wish, but as you know, your pores are going to continue to get clogged. But if you continuously cleanse them, it's going to help them from getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
And
Right, you're going to use products at home, you're going to cleanse, you're going to hopefully use a toner, and all this will help your pores stay closed. Once they're clean, they can stay closed, and it will keep them from getting larger.
and the monthly Hydrafacial. That's going to help open the pores and suck out the impurities with the vacuum.
Yeah, if you have
close
clogged pores and everything, exfoliating is really.
Well, and all right, so Jean has a funny question. She says, "Does the new face (in parentheses) look? How does it look? Does it look odd with the old neck?" And what a great question, because we actually treat. See, we didn't even talk about that. We do treat the neck and the décolleté. So, so you can. So it will match, our friends.
And
we're raffling off a Hydrafacial tonight, but if you're new to us, whether you win tonight or not, you will get 15% off a Hydrafacial. If you pop into the office, you can pick up a coupon, make an appointment, 15% off a Hydrafacial if you're a new client to the practice. We'd love to have you. We'd love to have you come in and take care of you and put you on a regimen that works for you.
Oh my goodness, Anna has a question. How much is it?
Basic Hydrafacial is $174.
But you do get 15% off that.
If you're new to us, you'll get 15% off.
And Dominique wants to know whether, does this help with any scars on your face? That would be more the microneedling.
That would be more of the microneedling.
Yeah. If you have, well, it depends. When I see my acne patients, a lot of them say they have those pink marks, which actually I have from old acne. Those aren't acne scars. So if you're talking about the pinkness that the pimples leave, the Hydrafacial will help with that. But if you have deep scars from picking or just having a pimple there for a very long time, microneedling would be better for that. So any type of pitting in the skin, any depressions, those are acne scars.
And you can certainly learn more if you'd like to come to our open house next Wednesday, October 4th from 5 to 7 in our Ridgefield office. We'll be having a Hydrafacial demonstration, microneedling demonstration. There will be raffles, giveaways, and lots of discounts available.
And my goodness, more questions keep coming in, and thank you so much. Lisa wants to know about pitting scars.
Sure.
Which we kind of just talked about.
Oh, you want me to explain again? Okay, so for pitting scars, the microneedling would be more beneficial.
Right. And then Nancy wants to know about brown spots.
We have a special Hydrafacial that is more accustomed to the brown spots. It has vitamin C, it has alpha-arbutin, and that helps with breaking up your brown spots.
And that's called the Bright
And we
Hydrafacial.
also offer Neocutis Pearl. This is a lightener and brightener. This is a great add-on to your lightening and brightening Hydrafacial.
Right, it prevents new brown spots from coming.
Correct.
And Lisa has another question. What's the quickest way to get rid of those deep acne scars?
Fillers?
It depends on the.
Yeah, you have to come in for a consultation, and we'll be happy to give you a plan.
Yeah, probably microneedling.
Yeah. That's some of the options, obviously, are microneedling and.
Come next week to the open house.
We actually do fillers, believe it or not.
Fillers.
Yeah, it just depends what type of.
Absolutely. Come and see one of our board-certified plastic surgeons and dermatologists and get a plan.
Sorry, I got a little sunscreen on you. You're looking luminous, Jessica. Amazing.
Questions keep piling in. I'm going to miss them. Oh no. Alexis wants to know, what is this? Is that the same pricing as the regular Hydrafacial, the one that helps with the brown spots?
The Bright All would be an add-on.
The price of the Hydrafacial
Plus the add-on for the Bright All.
Do you know how much it is?
Right.
I think they're.
Call for pricing. We can give you specifics over the phone. We can give you package pricing. And if you book a complimentary skincare consultation, we'll be able to give you further pricing as well. So consultations are complimentary. You can call into the office to make an appointment in Ridgefield or Danbury, where we offer any of the complimentary skincare consultations.
And that's 20 minutes, and it'll be a really educational 20 minutes for you.
Absolutely.
And as you can see,
Very nice.
Bright and shiny.
bright and shiny.
Bright and shiny. Looks great.
Looks fantastic.
Fantastic.
Deborah, thanks for chiming in. We look forward to seeing you Wednesday.
So
We're also going to be offering the Hydrafacial event. That is going to be the last week of October. We're going to offer a special pricing for packaging. You can come in and have a Hydrafacial for $125, an express Hydrafacial, and that $125 goes towards your Hydrafacial package if you choose to buy one that day.
And don't forget, like, comment, share this video for your opportunity to win a prize tonight. Share this video, like, comment, say hi.
And we have another question from Jean. It says, should you wait a period of time after having any minor cancer surgery on your face before having this done?
Until you're healed.
Yeah, you really want to be completely healed.
Mm-hmm.
And your physician will be able to give you clear direction on that. Absolutely. But when you're ready, we'll be here.
Yeah. It's really nice for that reason to do something special for yourself and your skin.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have 5 more minutes, so wrap it up, get your questions in, and we're going to start to do our raffle. So let the good times roll. Thank you for tuning in.
We have some great products under our label here at ASC. We have a cleanser, we have an ultralight lotion, and the serum that Heather was talking about, the hydrating serum that she did put on Jessica just a few minutes ago. And these are all really nicely priced because they're under our label. The cleanser and the light lotion are recommended mostly for our acne patients, but they're good for any skin type.
All right, questions still are rolling in here. Edith's teasing us about that we need to get you better gloves. We're sorry, I'll run and go get a different set because I'm the OR nurse. Michelle, what would be the best product after dog bite scarring?
Yeah. Well, we have a Strataderm, which is our scar gel. It's a silicone, and that works really well. You apply it after you've healed, and it works up to old scars that are even a year old.
So this month, we're also offering a giveaway contest. If you like the practice on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, you can have your opportunity to win a Hydrafacial, a gift card to buy one of our skincare products valued at $100, or a Visa gift card valued at $100. So be sure to like us on all your social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Like us on everything for your opportunity to win in the month of September. The month is almost over, so get it in while you can. Like us for your opportunity to win.
Monique says it looks very relaxing. I have to agree with you. It's almost like Calagon, take us away. You betcha.
Thank you, Monique. I could fall asleep.
Nation looking good.
Yeah, I've had people fall asleep.
Yeah, I have too.
It does
because it's painless. It's painless. It's
Men love to fall asleep during it, so come on, men, come take a nap and have a hydration.
Absolutely. Yes, we all need hydration.
Okay.
1 minute.
1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, to get your shares and likes in for the opportunity to win a prize in our giveaway tonight. There's free Botox, free Hydrafacial, and gift cards, samples. We have beautiful gift bags here, so get your likes, your shares, your comments in for your opportunity to win tonight. And thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We're going to announce in
We
30
do. We
seconds.
heart you.
30 seconds.
Standing by, 30 seconds, standing by.
30 seconds until we start to get the raffle ready.
That drum roll.
So we're going to let's get our products over here.
We really appreciate everybody participating and asking questions and liking and sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Say message.
Don't forget, even if you don't win, call up. You'll get 15% off a Hydrafacial if you're new to the practice. Don't forget to mention the coupon.
And after tonight's video, if you have any questions, feel free to message us on Facebook. We will get back to you.
And come to our open house for dermatology in Ridgefield, 901 Ethan Allen Highway. It's from 5 to 7. You can come in, see a demo of a Hydrafacial, a demo of microneedling. You get to speak to our reps of our products, Regenica, Neostrata, Elta MD, Schematica. It's going to be an amazing night, and you get to have free consults with Jessica and Dr. Egan for laser hair, IPL, microneedling, and Botox and fillers. So if you win a $100 coupon tonight, come on in, get your consult, and book your appointment.
It's a great opportunity. The open house, it's the first time we're doing it, and we've had A lot of people sign up already. It's going to be an awesome night.
Yeah, I'm excited. Very
Right.
excited.
Okay, let's do it.
This is either Botox or a Hydrafacial.
Oh, I can't
Let's see
wait.
who our lucky winner is.
All right. The drum roll.
So this is complimentary 20 units, complimentary Botox to be given by either our dermatology staff or our plastic surgery staff. One of the doctors or the PA can administer this. So 20 free units of Botox goes to
Karen Miazga.
Karen
Woo!
Miazga.
Congratulations.
20 units of Botox is Karen.
Woohoo! Great prize, Karen. You are a lucky
Yes.
girl tonight.
Contact on Facebook.
You'll be contacted on Facebook, Karen, so check your inbox because we will be contacting you to set that appointment up. Thank you for joining us. Okay, next up is a complimentary Hydrafacial.
Awesome.
This is a $174 value. You can book with either Adrian, myself, or Heather for your complimentary skincare consultation, and now your complimentary Hydrafacial.
And the
this
winner
goes to
is Tara Sexton.
Tara. Thank you for
Congrats.
Sarah.
Awesome. All right. Next up is $100 off Botox or Juvederm. This can be used in any office, again, by our dermatology staff or plastic surgery staff. There's also a bunch of fun samples in here. So these prizes are all the same. So we're going to give you 5 names, 5 winners tonight. So this is $100 off Botox or Juvederm and a bunch of fun skincare samples.
Wonderful. And the winner is Monique New at NG.
Monique.
Ing.
Thank you, Monique.
Sorry, Monique.
Next winner,
Lisa Marie.
Lisa Marie. Thank you, Lisa.
Congratulations, Lisa Marie.
Dominique Samuel.
Dominique.
Congratulations,
Some
Dominique.
prizes, ladies.
Thanks for joining.
Nancy Hayes.
Nancy, this one's for you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Nancy.
And last but not least,
Kaylin Kapoor.
Kaylin Picor. Thank you for joining us.
Congratulations.
That's
Like our
awesome.
page, stick our page.
Be sure to like our page. Ladies, stay with us. Follow us. We have a lot of exciting things going on. Advanced specialty care, dermatology and plastics, and skincare.
And we'll have more
and
live
we want
events.
you all to be part of it. So stay with us and follow us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
So much for joining
Thanks
us.
for joining.
Thanks for joining.
Oh, and I